Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick video on how to find the PCM code, or the fastest way to find the PCM code on your 7.3 if you're getting ready to order a chip of some kind. Most of the time, especially if you're getting custom tunes loaded on it, you're going to need to know the PCM code ahead of time. So here's the quick way. Right now this truck is the intake and stuff out of it, and the engine out of it. But I can show you anyway. It's going to be the same process. So PCM is actually under your dash. This is for the 99 to 03s, 7.3 Powerstrokes. The PCM code's under the dash, but the plug side pokes through the firewall, and that's what we're looking at right here. Now, there's a sticker on the end of this PCM, and typically it's going to be right along the driver's side, on this side. In this case, it was, you can see by the harness being twisted, the PCM was spun at some point. The whole thing was flipped backwards, but this one has a sticker on this side. But it's the same process either way. So you can just take your phone, turn on the video, take a picture, however you like to do it. Video is usually a little easier. Make sure you have a flash on. Okay. Right, there's your code. We're looking for the 4-digit code. So in this case, it says VDH4. Okay, it's a DPC 462. Now typically, like I said, the sticker is going to be on this side, on the driver's side, but in this case it's on the passenger side. But this is the quickest way to get it. That big 4-digit code right at the top of the PCM, right at the front end of the PCM, the big bold letters, that's what we're looking for. So if anybody asks you for your PCM code, that's how you find it on your 99 to 03 7.3.